As identical twins, they had the same upbringing, have the same DNA, and yet Greg is gay and Steve is straight. When you meet people and they find out you're gay and you're not, what do they say?
Are you sure? How can that be? Yeah, sure. Everyone is curious about that.
There were signs even when they were little kids. Their mother told us Steve loved sports and the outdoors, while Greg liked helping out in the kitchen. But it wasn't until high school that Steve became convinced Greg was gay. Did you say anything to him, or?
I did, actually. I think the way I worded it was something like, you know, Greg, if you're gay, it's okay. I'll still love you the same. And he gave a very philosophical answer. He said something like, oh, I love the soul of a person and not the physical being. And in my mind, I was like, yep, he's gay. I wasn't ready just yet.
Surgeons around the world do something called penile inversion, where they basically use the skin from the penis to create the vagina. And she hadn't developed through full puberty, so to not put too fine a point on it, there wasn't much there to work with. Sorry, Jackie, she'll hate that.
I remember even thinking before Kai was 3 that I think this kid might be gay. And I thought that that could not happen, and that would not happen. We started praying fervently. Prayers turned into Googling conversion therapy and how can we implement these techniques at home to make Kai not be like this.
But so what we do know is that adolescents actually have the capacity to make a reasoned, logical decision. And here's the other thing about chest surgery. If you want breasts at a later point in your life, you can go and get them. And